Good morning, Stampers, and thank you for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. And today I'm going to show you how to make this cool, fancy fold card. Now, I don't know what the name of this fold is, but I always call it the Epic Fold because the first time I saw it used was with a stamp set called Have an Epic Day. So to me, that name just stuck. But if you have a better idea, hit me up in the comments and let me know. And because we're coming up to Father's Day, I wanted to use this classic Garage Designer Series paper. And this is available in the Occasions catalog while supplies last. So to make this card, you're going to need one sheet of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, and you're going to need a total of 5 panels of cardstock and designer series paper. And they're all cut to the same size, which is 2.5 by 4 inches. But the reason I say that you're going to need a combination is right here I've got 4 panels of paper and 1 of cardstock. But here, where I've made the same card using the Tranquil Textures suite, I have 2 panels of white cardstock, and I've stamped on this one to decorate it. So it's up to you how you want to decorate and what kind of design you want to use. You might want to use 3 panels of cardstock that you stamp on, or only 1 or 2, or whatever you want to do. But the point is you're going to need 5 panels in total, and they're all the same size, 2.5 by 4 inches. So let me show you how we're going to create this fold. Starting with your cardstock in your trimmer, and you're going to have it lengthwise lined up at 4 1/4, so exactly in the center of your cardstock. There we go. And we're just going to score down that whole length. Then we're going to rotate that, line it up at 2 3/4. Boy, it is challenging to have a tripod and a trimmer on the desk at the same time. And with that lined up at 2.75 inches, we're now going to cut from the edge of your cardstock to that center line that you just scored. And that's it. So you just have this one flap here now. So turn it back to your original position again and line it up at 4 1/4 inches. And this time what you're going to do is cut along that score line all the way to that cut line you just made. Okay, so now we have this wacky looking L shape. And this piece here that you've cut off, you're done with it. You won't need it again for this project. Okay, so with your remaining piece, you're going to put it back into your trimmer, and you're going to score this at 2.75 and again at 5 1/2. Now let's crease all these folds. So as you can see, this has now turned into a standard size card that's going to fit in a note card envelope, and it's got all these fun places for you to decorate. So let's put on those panels. Looking pretty good. I just realized you could actually even put a panel on here too. That would be fun, or stamp it with an extra sentiment. Now we just have to decorate. And there's our card all done. looking pretty awesome. That's how easy it is to make an epic fold card. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me today, and please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, please let me know. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown here at my website, inkyfingers.ca, and you can also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, my local workshop schedule, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page under Inky Fingers Papercrafting where you can join a weekly card sketch challenge and win a prize from me. If you do place an order, please remember to use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code is going to get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me to start planning your own virtual or in-home party. Drop me a line for more details. I'd love to come and get creative with you. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'. Bye!